In this video, I am going to show you how to renew BlueHost hosting. So let's see how we can do it. So at first we need to log into our BlueHost dashboard. So go to bluehost.com and then from the top click on login. Now here you need to enter your BlueHost username and password and then click on login. And this will take us to the BlueHost portal. Now to renew our BlueHost hosting, on the top right corner we are going to see our account icon. So we are going to click on it, and after that we are going to click on products. And here we are going to see all the products that we have purchased from BlueHost. And here you will see a renew now button next to each of your product. So let's say you want to renew your web hosting. So next to it you will see a renew now button. Just click on it. And after that you will be redirected to the checkout page, and from there you can easily renew your BlueHost hosting. Same for the domain as well. Next to your domain name you will see a renew now button. Just click on it, and in this way you will be redirected to the checkout page, and from there you can easily renew your domain. So this is how you can renew your domain and web hosting on BlueHost. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.